Welcome to the Bitcoin.com weekly update for Friday, February 12th. As you can see, our usual host, Mr. Corbin Fraser, has the week off, so we are more than happy to be joining you from Tokyo. I'm Trinity.
And I'm Jason.
The markets have been trending upward for months. Stocks have been overrun by memes, and now some really big names are jumping on the crypto bandwagon. Should you be too? We'll talk about that and this week's top stories.
So Bitcoin and cryptocurrency have been gaining some high-profile supporters. The past year has had a lot of people questioning their own personal relationship with money, and a growing number of celebrities and public figures alike are backing the cryptocurrency phenomena. This week it was Lindsay Lohan. She became the latest celebrity to show her support for Bitcoin. She tweeted out, "Bitcoin to the moon."
Wow.
Yes. Very, very profound. Right?
How did people feel about that?
There was mixed reactions, right? So Lohan is adding her name to the likes of Kiss frontman Gene Simmons, American rapper Logic, record producer Mr. Murda Beats, and Game of Thrones actress Maisie Williams, who have all been talking up Bitcoin recently. So what does this mean for us, though? And should we be following financial trends set by celebrities? Well, thankfully, we don't need to take our financial advice from celebrities like Mr. Murder Beats or Gene Simmons, even if they're fantastic artists in their own right. The great thing about cryptocurrency is that there's no shortage of information available to everyone online to learn about it. And if you are just getting started in cryptocurrency, we offer a lot of great tools and resources, and we're constantly trying to put out content that is more accessible to people and keeping everyone up to date with the latest in the whole crypto realm. And the last thing I would say to that is just it might be easier to learn about some open source projects such as cryptocurrency where all the information is available to you than trying to understand the 180 different monetary policies that govern fiat currency around the world. That's just my own
That's fair.
My own 2 Satoshis on it. So. Okay. Oh, there's like that coin that you like with the dog, and there was some news about it this week again.
Dogecoin.
Yeah.
A new report states that 27% of all Dogecoin in circulation is parked at one single address.
One address?
One address.
27%.
Yeah, it also shows 50% of all Dogecoin is currently held by the top 20 holders, drawing widespread concern online.
I'm concerned.
Are you concerned?
A little bit. That's concerning.
This one address holds 36 billion Doge. Supply is seemingly quite centralized, with people speculating that the Doge fan Elon Musk might be the meme token's biggest investor. The revelation further sparked conversations about long-term viability of the Dogecoin project, as the coin's endless supply and lack of a halving mechanism means that, unlike Bitcoin, inflation and dilution are built into the Dogecoin ecosystem. Regardless, Dogecoin is still up about 330% over the last month.
That's a lot.
Yeah, and it's capping off a year of huge gains, largely fueled by its dedicated following online.
Trinity, I give you a bit of a hard time about Doge, but I think it's hard to cheer against. It's a cute little coin, right?
It's a beloved meme coin. Go, Doge, go. Hit that dime.
Hit that dollar, right?
Oh, yeah. Well.
Some other news that captivated our Bitcoin.com audience was, is Satoshi's Bitcoin stash actually a massive blockchain treasure hunt? So there have been countless theories about Bitcoin's creator, Satoshi Nakamoto. One of the more interesting ideas gaining some traction right now is that Satoshi left clues on the blockchain for online sleuths to discover his fortune, which some people estimate to be between 750,000 to 1.1 million BTC or Bitcoin
Satoshi.
and all of its related coins. So since walking away from the Bitcoin project, armchair detectives have scrutinized Satoshi's every move. They have time, these people, right? So recent research has shown that Satoshi left an unusual amount of identifiers in the early mine blocks, leading some to believe that these clues might lead to the creator's multi-billion-dollar fortune. I'm intrigued.
Yeah, you think you're going to go for it?
I think I need to, up my whole sleuthing game and figure out if I can crack the code.
I think I'll leave that to the more professional armchair sleuths, but good luck to you.
Trinity, you're from the United States, and I hear you talk about like some election that happened. So was there any updates on some regulation related to cryptocurrency in the
Actually,
States?
Yes, we have a bit of an update. Pro-Bitcoin U.S. lawmaker Cynthia Lummis, she plans to convince Janet Yellen that Bitcoin is a great store of value. With the new administration inaugurated last month, it seemed as though the US was poised to implement heavy new regulations to curtail the use of Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies as a whole. But incoming Treasury Secretary Janet Yellen has made repeated ill-founded claims about Bitcoin over the years, claiming that it was used primarily for money laundering and illicit activities during her confirmation hearing. The crypto community saw a bit of light from Washington this week as pro-Bitcoiners Senator Cynthia Lummis was appointed to the Senate Banking Committee. It's still too early in the process, but many people online are hopeful that Senator Lummis will be successful in spreading awareness of Bitcoin's potential on Capitol Hill and beyond.
You know what? I'm always happy and excited to hear when people who are responsible for making laws are open to cryptocurrencies. Mm-hmm. I believe that anybody should be able to use their cryptocurrency any way that they like. So it's, little breakthroughs are exciting. Is there anything at Bitcoin.com that's coming up that you're excited about?
Well, there is one thing that we're celebrating as of today. It is the beginning of the Lunar New Year.
Okay, great.
Yeah, we've just updated our paper wallet site, and it's a really cool way to celebrate the Lunar New Year in a kind of red envelope sense.
Yeah, and I think that's awesome because paper wallets, for some people, cryptocurrencies, they're not tangible necessarily. They don't have this physicality to them. So being able to hand them something which holds their private keys and they can sweep it off there, it's like a nice way of onboarding. So, and also you can just send people cryptocurrency if you'd like as well. And receiving it is sometimes better than reading about it online, I think. So I think that's all from us here in Tokyo. But if you liked what you saw, please hit the subscribe button. And be sure to check out our Getting Started section on our site if you want to learn some more, or our news to keep up to date with everything that's going on in the cryptocurrency space. But for the time being, I'm Jason.
And I'm Trinity.
And thank you for watching.